Hi, it's your girl Hunchovb VB. Today we're going to do something a little different. My daughter asked me to do some dip for her job. So today I'm going to do a Maryland style crab dip. So in my bowl I have already pre-measured a cup and a half of cream cheese and 1 cup of mayonnaise. To that I'm adding 1 whole lemon, the juice of 1 whole lemon, some parsley flakes. I'm going to do a tablespoon of parsley flakes. Okay, so it wouldn't be a Maryland style crab dip without some Old Bay. We use a lot of Old Bay here. I'm going to do about half a tablespoon Old Bay. Then I'm going to mix this up. Okay, I adjusted the flavor. I tasted it. I added like about a little over a half a teaspoon. Excuse me. I added a little over half a teaspoon more of Old Bay. Now to this we're going to add 1 pound of jumbo lump crab meat. Okay, here's the crab meat. Okay, so you want to fold the crab into the mixture. I'm going to put this in the oven, 350 for 30 minutes. Yes, I said oven, not air fryer. So we're going to the oven. I'm going to transfer this to a pie plate and I'll come back with the results. And I'm telling you, this is good cold. So you could do either or. Anyway, so be right back. So you see I have it all transferred to the pie plate. And you see I even have some in a little crock pot for me. Because I couldn't very well go taste. I couldn't go taste the dip that's going to her job. So I'll have some to taste. Anyway. So see you back in 30 minutes. Hi guys. So this is the finished product. Yummy, yummy. I let it stay in the oven 15 more minutes because it wasn't brown enough for me. But here again, you time it according to the brownness that you want it to be. So the total cook time was 45 minutes. Okay, so I'm not going to taste this one because this is going to my daughter's job. So I have a little guy that I'm going to taste. Okay, here's my little container I'm going to taste. Okay, so let's give this a taste. Ooh. Guys, this is really good. Really good. You can use crackers, bread, or anything to dip into it. Make sure you let it cool before you taste it though. So this is a wrap. This is a winner. So guys, please comment, share, and subscribe. And like my video. And until next time, Hunchovb is out. Peace.